So,
Yes, Mom, we're gonna get some books here.
yeah. Look at this. Ang daming books.
You can just get
Okay. Let's get this. Ayan, nandito kami sa isang book stand.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a public mini library. They
Yeah.
call it mini library.
Okay.
And then you can put books here. You can get books. It's okay to keep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, pipiliin mo kung ano yung pwede mong gamitin. So, eto, since Alice Adventures in Wonderland, kukunin namin ito. Yeah.
They
Ano
have
pa?
some for adults books.
Okay.
But since nakakonsentrate tayo sa children,
So, yung children.
may libreng lapis pa.
Ano pa?
Oh, ganda nito, oh.
Yeah. Ito. Ano to?
Oh,
Keeping of you. Okay. This one. We will also get this. Para sa teachers. Yan.
One World, One Day. I think this is an interesting book.
How about this? Ayan na. How about this one?
You can get whatever you want, Mom.
This one, we will also get this. So yan ang manner dito sa California. Meron silang book stand and then pupunta lang si Miss B para kunin yung mga books na pwedeng ipadala dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas. So that's how she gets book here in California.
Okay, from here to yours.
Yeah! Ayan na!